Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Thule Urban Glide 2. First, let's get your stroller ready for adventure. To unfold it, simply locate the blue handle under the leg rest, twist, and pull upwards. It's a quick one-hand motion. Next, adjust the handlebar to your ideal height using the side buttons for maximum comfort. Finally, place your child in the seat and fasten the padded 5-point harness securely. It's designed for easy adjustment and safety. The Urban Glide 2 offers fantastic comfort and protection. The seat reclines to many positions with a simple one-hand squeeze of the adjustment clamp, perfect for naps on the go. The generous canopy provides UPF 50+ sun protection and features side ventilation for airflow. Plus, a magnetic peekaboo window lets you quietly check on your little one, ensuring they remain undisturbed during their ride. This stroller is built for smooth movement and safety. The front wheel can swivel for effortless turns in busy areas or lock straight for stability when you're jogging. For speed control, especially on slopes, use the integrated twist handbrake on the handlebar. When you need to stop completely, simply press the central foot pedal brake at the rear to securely park your stroller. When your adventure is over, folding the Urban Glide 2 is simple with its one-hand twist-and-pull system. For even more compact storage, the large rear wheels can be easily removed by pressing their blue release buttons. To keep your ride smooth, remember to regularly check the tire pressure. We recommend maintaining between 20 and 25 psi. Also, wipe down the water-resistant fabric as needed to keep your stroller looking great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.